Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to discuss about something which all of us struggle with, which is to use how to use YouTube without getting distracted. We often open YouTube app to learn something new or to watch something which is important, but without even noticing, we fall into the trap of endless scrolling and watching random videos which are not even helpful to us. So in this video, I'm going to discuss you a framework which will help you to use YouTube without even getting distracted. So let me show you that on my mobile phone. So this is how my YouTube looks like. So the idea is very simple, to organize the YouTube using playlists. So first you have to create two, let's say three or four types of playlists, which includes um, refreshment. First is the refreshment playlist, like as you can see here, uh, which I have, which has all the videos which you want to see when you want to relax or take a short break. They are like, they include the videos which are vlogs or travel vlogs, etc, etc. So when you are in a mode of watching refreshment videos, then you can directly come to this playlist and just start watching it. Then as you can see here, I have content creation ideas playlist, which I use to take inspiration from another content creators and try to implement in my videos. It can be the editing style, the thumbnails, etc, which you can see here. And there are podcasts which I watch in free time, so I gather all of them here, which I want to see when I am in a mood of watching podcast, when I have time to watch it. As you can see here, how I have created playlists for every type of every category that I have to watch videos. Like there are bayans playlists also, very important videos, and then watch later videos, then bayans which are my favorite, and then make shorts with this. As you can see, if I want to make shorts related to that videos, I include them in this playlist. Then there are downloads playlist also, which I use when I want to download videos and watch them while traveling, or which can be helpful while I don't have a Wi-Fi or a network connection. So by this way, you can, the main key thing is, now whenever you want to watch something, don't be on YT homepage. Directly come to this playlist and then watch it according to your need, according to your mode. So by this way, don't waste more time just scrolling or deciding what to watch, because you already have a library from which you can choose according to your mode and need at that particular time. So this is the framework that I wanted to share with you. By using this, I use YouTube without getting distracted. And one more thing that I wanted to share with you guys is, whenever we come on to the home page, we get suggestions of the videos and we get distracted. But on this particular account, you can see on my mobile screen that I am not getting any suggestions, and it's showing that your watch history is off. So I did this intentionally to not get the suggestions. Let me show you how. Go to account and then go to settings, then go to manage all history, then go to controls, and as you can see here, it's showing turn on. If it's showing turn off to you, then turn it off. Then you will notice that on your homepage you're not getting any suggestions, because the algorithm doesn't know about what you like to watch. It decides your favorite videos according to your history, that what you have watched in the past. So when you turn off your watch history, the algorithms doesn't know what you like to watch. So it's kind of like a trick and whatever you want to say, but it's very helpful, that I personally use when I want to study. So it's a particular channel or account which I have created, I use when I am studying. So it's also very helpful. If you found this video helpful, then share it with a friend and like this video. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe. Let's meet in the next video.